What's up, you guys? It's Graham here. What's up, you guys? It's Graham here. What's up, you guys? It's Graham here.
What's up, Apex entrepreneurs, and welcome to our weekly video. Today we're gonna talk about one of the most successful YouTubers of all time, Graham Stephan. As of today, Graham has more than 2.21 million subscribers on his main channel. He publishes 3 times per week and averages more than 200,000 views per video. Of course, there are a lot of YouTubers with much more subscribers and much more views per video than Graham. Yet, Graham is making more money out of his channel than the majority of them. Because you know what they say about size isn't everything. But of course, I'm talking about a YouTube channel here, not something else. So a YouTube channel with 100,000 subscribers could earn more money than another YouTube channel with 700,000 subscribers. And this will be the topic of this video. We will show you how Graham Stephan makes more than 1.6 million US dollars per year.
My name is Graham Stephan. I'm 29 years old. I make 1.6 million per year and live in Los Angeles, California.
And we will see why the size of a YouTube channel, of course, is not the most important factor to consider if you want to make a fortune out of YouTube. This is an important video, so watch it till the end and take notes. And
smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. If you wouldn't mind just maxing out the like button until it turns blue, it'd be greatly appreciated.
Let's start with a quick overview of Graham's career. Graham was not good at school. He had very bad grades, and he couldn't make it to college. But instead of crying and complaining about it, he went and got a real estate license and became a real estate agent. Graham planned to get 1 year of work experience and then reapply to college. But he fell in love with his job, so he didn't apply to college again. He earned some money and began investing in real estate, and one day he decided to launch a YouTube channel, just for fun. Stephan didn't monetize his YouTube channel overnight. It took him a few months to actually see any money. When he first started earning money, it was less than $1 a day. Then, after a few months, he started earning $1 a day. After a full year of making videos, he earned around $26,000. He saw great potential and continued publishing regularly. In his second year, he made $260,000 until one day he published a video about how he bought a Tesla for $78 a month. In this video, Graham showed his new Tesla and explained how he bought it for $78 a month. But don't get so excited. It's $78 a month for the first year only. But of course he didn't specify that in the title, otherwise people wouldn't be that excited to click. And this video went viral all over the internet. This video got more than 6 million views and took Graham's channel to the next level and made Graham a lot of money. More than what he paid for the Tesla. So he used his Tesla to make a video that generated more money than what the Tesla cost him. So if you do the math, he ended up owning a Tesla for free. And guess what? Graham made another video in a couple of months on how he got a Tesla for free and ended up making more money. And he kept working day and night until he finally surpassed the $1 million mark in his third year. So, what is his secret and why is he so successful? Well, I'll answer that in a few seconds. But if you have any ideas of your own, please share them in the comment section below. We'd love to know what you think.
And yes, lastly, I will be asking you guys to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm because it does greatly help out my channel. I just want to say a huge thank you to our sponsor today. It's called Smashing That Like Button if you haven't already done that. For real though, there is no sponsor, but if you just hit the like button, that would be good enough for me. Thank you.
So, what are Graham Stephan's secrets for success on YouTube? The first secret is that Graham makes videos on finance, investing, business, credit cards, and real estate. And for those topics, advertisers are willing to put more money on the table to advertise for their products on YouTube. So, for every 1,000 views, Graham earns around $15. For other types of channel, advertisers aren't willing to pay that much. So, for the gaming channels, for example, for every 1,000 views, you are expected to make around $1. For pranks channels, you can hope to make 50 cents per 1,000 views. So if you're a prank YouTuber, you need 30 times more views than Graham in order to make the same amount of money. You understand now why the size of a YouTube channel is not the only factor that determines your financial success on YouTube. So, if you want to succeed on YouTube, you have to pick a niche that advertisers are willing to put a lot of money on. Graham's second secret is the watch time. YouTube want people to stay on the platform for as long as possible. The longer you stay on YouTube, the more you watch ads and the more money YouTube makes. So that's why YouTube pushes the videos that are getting a good watch time. So if the average watch time of a video is 6 minutes and another one is getting 1 minute average watch time, YouTube will push the first one and it will get much more views and it will make much more money. Graham is very engaging and he tries to maximize his average watch time as much as he can. First, he speaks fast, because if you speak so slowly, people will get bored and search for another video. Second, he tries to shoot with different angles and in different places, because some of the people might get bored if he stays in the same place. Third, he knows what his audience wants and he makes videos that please his audience. Fourth, he tells a lot of jokes to keep people entertained, because people on YouTube are not just on YouTube to learn. They are not searching for a boring tutorial. It has to be funny and cool.
So there's always one thing that I've mentioned here non-stop on the channel, so much so that I'm sure many of you guys are tired of me saying it. And no, it's not me asking you to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm.
Fifth, he built a community, a brand. People know when he publishes and wait for every video to enjoy and learn and comment. And sixth and last, his videos are relatively long. On average, it's a 15-minute video, and the longer the video is, the longer the watch time will be. So, to sum up his second secret, if you want to create a YouTube empire, you have to create engaging content that people would love to watch. Let's move to Graham's third secret, which is by far his most powerful weapon, which is he invites you from time to time to hit that like. Because when a video gets more likes, YouTube will understand that it is a good video and will push it more, and the video will get more views and so on. But the thing is, Graham asks his fans to like the video in a funny way. He just integrates it into the video in a way that doesn't disturb the viewer. He's not begging you to like, and that's what pushes his audience to be responsive to his request.
What's up guys, it's Graham here. So as I'm sure many of you are aware, the one thing I love more than anything, even more so than finding really creative ways to ask you to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, would be credit cards.
Graham's fourth and last secret is his thumbnails. If you want to succeed on YouTube, you have to work on your thumbnails. You have to make people curious so they click and watch. The better your thumbnails are, the better your click-through rate is. And the more the YouTube algorithm will like this, and the more your video will get views. So for example, let's take this thumbnail. So here is a photo of Graham. Beside him, there's a photo of Jake Paul screaming. And here in red, he wrote scam. So as if he's saying that Jake Paul is a scammer. For those who don't know, Jake Paul is a famous American YouTuber, actor and musician. He has more than 20 million subscribers on his YouTube channel. And he gets on average more than 1 million views on each of his videos. So when Jake Paul's fans see this thumbnail, they will all say, "What? Is Jake a scammer? Let's take a look and see." It worked with Graham, and he made more than 1 million views on this video, which is way more than his average. Let's check another thumbnail for one of the most successful videos Graham has made on his channel. In the photo, we see Graham, and just behind him, a much bigger man. And at the top of the thumbnail, Graham wrote 250 million. And the title of the video is, Meet the $250 Million Man. So when you see this thumbnail, you get very curious to know, who the heck is this guy? Who is this giant standing behind Graham? And how has he made $250 million? Graham succeeded again, and the video got more than 3.5 million views. So if you now go to socialblade.com and check how many views Graham got in the last 30 days, we see that Graham made 11.667 million views in the last 30 days. So If for every 1,000 views he got paid around $15, and if we crunch some numbers, we can conclude that Graham made around $175,000 in the last 30 days. So, we have seen so far how Graham is killing the YouTube algorithm and how he's making 6 figures monthly from YouTube ads revenue. But Graham doesn't rely on ads revenue. He has also created 2 online courses, which you can find in the description of his videos. He makes more than $20,000 per month selling these courses, and he also generates some money with affiliate marketing. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to share it with one of your friends. Splash the like button to help us in the YouTube algorithm. Follow us as we publish unique content to help you take your life to the next level. And leave a comment below and tell us, do you like Graham Stephan's videos? Does the size of a YouTube channel matter a lot? After commenting and before leaving, we invite you to check our free passive income course. This course is totally free, and you can easily access it by clicking on the first link you find in the description. In this course, we teach you how to make at least $2,000 per month, working from your own couch. So don't miss it. This is far from being a get-rich-quick method. There's a lot of work to be done up front. So, if you're willing to work and then enjoy passive income falling into your bank account, all you have to do is to click in the first link in the description to get access to our free course. And by the way, if you're still here while the music is running, here are 2 videos that we recommend you to watch. The first one is an ultimate guide for investing in stock market for beginners. And the second one will show you the top 3 ways of making passive income working from home. We hope you'll love that. Stay tuned and see you next week.